never sold my stocks, and I'm making some pretty good money throughout this time. Here's how. You guys have a good idea of my gold and silver stacking and how I'm playing around with the gold jewelry and everything, but when it comes to investing, I have been actually making some pretty good money throughout this time in the stock markets and everything like that. And a big part of that is I've just been buying what's been really out of favor. Like Rio Tinto, I've been putting a lot of money into buying a lot of Rio Tinto at $60 a share. And now it's starting to rebound and everything, and then I've also bought the VXX when that was in the teens and everything. And like Friday, that went up 27.3% just because of the new beaver fever that is going around. Anytime there's any kind of commotion, any kind of fear, major fear that hits the markets, the VXX goes bonkers. And instead of selling your portfolio, you can put a small portion into the VXX and hope that nothing goes bad because it's only a small portion, and then if your portfolio goes down, you can happily collect those dividends and everything and still be moving forward, still be gaining money, still be sticking to your plan, still getting good sleep at night and everything, because you still gained money that day because the VXX just started to go bonkers. And I know the VXX in the mid-20s doesn't seem like it's bonkers, but if you're buying in the teens and now it just shoots up into the mid-20s, yeah, that is bonkers for me. It's all about perspective, right? I'm the kind of person who I make 10%, 12% a year investing. I'm perfectly happy, and I know I'm going to retire wealthy if I just keep getting these kind of those gains and stuff like that every single year. If that's what I'm averaging, I'm perfectly happy in life. I have zero regrets, zero fears or anything. All my recent purchases, they're still way up. So I'm not too worried about all the commotion and investing and all that, what's going on in the stock markets, because I hedged my bets. I have tangible assets. I can sleep easy at night, I can collect my dividends, still get all the same cash flow, and actually, because I still have that cash flow, there's opportunities when things fall. So for me, I want things to fall, so there's opportunities for me to reinvest. I know that I've been buying some gold and silver, flipping the gold jewelry, but it's nice getting that steady cash flow, just building the equity in these businesses. And an important thing here though is just hedging your bets. When things get crazy, a good way is just to buy the VXX when it's in the teens. Personally, I'm not a financial beaver. I'm just a random beaver on the internet. But in my personal opinion though, I just think buying the VXX in the teens is a no-brainer, and yeah, I really don't have a sell point, or I haven't really thought that far ahead, to be completely honest. It's one of those things where it's just kind of like, I know it's a no-brainer, but I was kind of thinking when it goes over 30, I would start selling, and throughout the 20s, that's just my let's sleep easy at night. My portfolio might go down, but I'm going to use this just to sleep easy at night on not. If you put a couple percent of your portfolio into it, it might prevent you from making irrational decisions that you would regret. Just my thoughts and opinions. Love to know your thoughts and opinions. Please join the Beaver Dam fam, subscribe with all notifications on. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.